Welcome to our video series, learning how to use Rhino 3D in 11 simple ring band projects. In this basics part of our series, I'll take you through 5 comprehensive lessons on getting started with Rhino 3D. If you're completely new to the Rhino program, you'll be getting a good overview of how the program functions with these lessons in order to begin learning the more in-depth Rhino skills that will follow in the next portion of this course. You'll be learning about the Rhino interface, including where tools and the command line are located, for example using tools to create shapes on the construction plane, or using the command line to do the same. You'll learn how to set up your project, including giving it a name and making layers, using the most common viewports, including top, perspective, front, and right view. You'll also learn to use camera controls to rotate, pan, and zoom in on objects. And finally, how to move objects around on the construction plane. Stay tuned for the first lesson in the Rhino Basics portion of this series, understanding the Rhino interface.